Welcome to Math Time! I'm Mr. Julius S. Hineta, or you can call me Boss G, and I will be your teacher for today's lesson. Good day, everyone! The lesson for today is all about factoring difference of two squares. Difference of two squares. Don't be mistaken with that square. It is not the shape. That square pertains to perfect squares. It is defined as the numbers or expressions which is the product when a number or expression is multiplied to itself. For example, 4. It is the product when 2 is multiplied to itself. Another, 9. It is the product when 3 is multiplied to itself. A square. It is the product when A is multiplied to itself. Y raised to the 6th power. It is the product when y cubed is multiplied to itself. Now take a look at this one. Can you answer this problem? What is the product of a plus b multiplied by a minus b? What do you think? You can use FOIL method to find the product. Very good. The product is a square minus b square. Therefore, a plus b multiplied by a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. But what do you notice on the product? Yes, the product is a difference of two squares. If I'm going to reverse, or if we are going to reverse the process, a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. Since a square minus b square is a difference of two squares, then we now have our pattern in factoring a difference of two squares. A there is the square root of the first term, or it is the number or expressions whose product is equal to the first term when multiplied to itself. B is the square root of the second term, or it is the number or expression whose product is equal to the second term when multiplied to itself. Now, with this given pattern, we are now ready to factor difference of two squares. But wait, we still need a guide. And what is this guide? These are the steps in factoring difference of two squares. Number 1, determine the number or expression whose product is equal to the first term when multiplied to itself. Number 2, determine the number or expression whose product is equal to the second term when multiplied to itself. Number 3, build the binomial factors following the pattern. Let's take example number 1. X squared minus 4. Following the steps, determine the number expression whose product is equal to the first term when multiplied to itself. The first term here is x squared. Now, what is the number or expression when multiplied to itself is equal to the first term? Very good. It's x. Therefore, a here is equal to x. Second step, determine the number or expression whose product is equal to the second term when multiplied to itself. The second term here is 4. So what number when multiplied to itself is equal to 4? Yes, it's 2. So b here is equal to 2. And the last step, build the binomial factors following the pattern. What is the pattern again? A plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we're going to substitute the values of a and b. So let's start substituting. A is equal to x. So we have here x. Copy the operation plus substitute the value of b, which is equal to 2. So we have x plus 2. Then substitute the value of a. x. Copy the operation minus, substitute the value of b which is equal to 2 and we have x minus 2. Therefore, the factors of x squared minus 4 is equal to x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Let's have another example. Y raised to the 8th power minus 9. Following the steps, the first term here is y raised to the 8th power. What is the number or expression whose product when multiplied to itself is equal to y raised to the 8th power? Yes, it's y raised to the 4th power. So your a here is equal to y raised to the 4th power. The second term is 9. What number when multiplied to itself is equal to 9? Very good, it's 3. So b here is equal to 3. Following the pattern and substituting the values of a and b, the factors of y raised to the 8th power minus 9 is equal to y raised to the 4th power plus 3 multiplied by y raised to the 4th power minus 3. Okay, for our mastery, let's have example number 3. 25a raised to the 6th power minus 36b squared. The first term is 25a raised to the 6th power. What expression, when multiplied to itself, is equal to the first term? Yes, it's 5a cubed. So a here is equal to 5a cubed. The second term is 36b squared. What is the expression when multiplied to itself is equal to 36b squared? Good job! 6b. So our b here is equal to 6b. So following the pattern, the factors of 25a raised to the 6th power minus 36b squared is equal to 5a cubed plus 6b multiplied by 5a cubed minus 6b. Thank you for listening. Have fun learning. Hope you enjoyed our discussion. Goodbye. See you on to the next video. This is Boss G signing off.